Sabudana vada as a snack is very yummy and tasty, but is also very oily. That's why today we are making sabudana vada in less oil in our appe pan. Trust me, even without deep frying, this healthy version of sabudana vada will taste as tasty and yummy. So do give it a try. Let's start with mashing the boiled potatoes. I have used 2 medium-sized boiled potatoes here. Then add in 2 cups of sabudana. These are soaked overnight. Then goes in some grated ginger, some roasted peanut powder, chopped green chilies, some lemon juice, salt as per your taste, jeera, and lastly some coriander leaves. Now lightly mix everything together to form a dough. Make small balls just enough to fit into your appe pan. Grease the appe pan with some ghee. I prefer not to use oil as ghee gives a very unique flavor to the vadas. Now place the vadas one by one on the pan and apply some ghee again on the top. And then cover and cook till they become brown for about a minute. Keep turning the sabudana vadas at regular intervals till all sides become crispy and golden brown in color. Our less oily sabudana vadas are ready to be served. You can serve the vadas with tomato ketchup or coconut chutney if you like. If you like this recipe, do share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.